Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create unlimited AI videos using YouTube AI. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, so make sure you watch until the end. Let's get started. The first step is to open ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT exactly the kind of AI video you want to create and let it generate a detailed prompt for you. A good prompt will give you much better results. Once ChatGPT finishes writing your prompt, copy the entire prompt. You'll paste it into YouTube in the next step to generate your AI video. Now open the YouTube app and go to the AI video creation feature. If your account has access, you'll be able to create videos directly inside YouTube. Paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the prompt box. Take a moment to review it, then make any changes you want before generating your video. When everything looks good, tap Generate and wait while YouTube creates your AI video. In just a few moments, your video will be ready to preview. Don't just write short prompts. Describe exactly what you want, including the background, camera movement, lighting, and style. A detailed prompt usually gives you a much better video. Before you generate your video, take a few seconds to read your prompt again. Correct any mistakes and add more details if necessary. It can make a big difference. Try different styles, like cinematic, realistic, animation, or 3D. Testing different styles helps you discover the one that fits your content best. Whenever you get a good result, save that prompt in your notes. You can reuse it later instead of starting from scratch. Don't remove instructions like natural lip sync, eye contact, blinking, and subtle head movements. These details make your avatar look more realistic. Don't remove instructions like natural lip sync, eye contact, blinking, and subtle head movements. These details make your avatar look more realistic. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials, tech tips, and online money-making ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never